Welcome to today's Breathwork session. This session is designed to uncover limiting beliefs and therefore lay the foundation for self-growth. Limiting beliefs hold us back, sometimes without noticing it. Without getting aware of your limiting beliefs, you can go for decades limiting your potential and potentially harming your relationships with yourself, with your spouse, friends, co-workers, and family. We're going to use hormetic breathwork, also called hypoxic breathwork, to change our mental state and therefore open up the gateways to get more aware of ourselves and hopefully be able to uncover limiting beliefs and already taking the first steps of letting them go. This is part of the deep transformation series of my Hormesis system in my academy. Feel free to check out the link in the description. Before we start, make sure to not do this breathwork session while driving or in the water. First, get aware of your breathing. Get aware of your state, your energy level, your emotional texture, the flow of your thoughts. Don't try to change anything. Don't judge yourself. Just get aware. Now expand your breathing by expanding your belly. Take your breath up to the chest and rib cage. Let go of your breath through the mouth. Three more. 2, 1. Take a full inhale. Let go. And hold your breath. As you settle into the silence, ask yourself, what am I believing about myself that is holding me back in this moment? Let the answer rise naturally. No need to chase it. It might come as a whisper. I'm not good enough. I'm weak. I don't belong. Whatever appears, don't flinch. You're not judging. You're just meeting it face to face. This is not the truth. It's an old echo you've carried long enough. Take a full inhale. Hold. Just see it and hold that awareness. Awareness is the first step towards growth. And let go. Come back to deep breathing. Inhale fully and let go. Inhale energy. Let go stress and everything that holds you back. 3 more. 2, 1. Your last full inhale. Let go. And hold. Now, as you hold your breath and feel the energy pulsing in your body, ask gently, is this belief still serving me? Am I ready to let it go? And if the answer is yes, open to something new. Try on a belief that feels more kind, more true, more you. Maybe something like, even if I fail, I still have value. It's okay to ask for help. I can grow and still be enough. I belong here, now, as I am. Let one of these settle in. Take a full inhale and hold. And let go. Come back to deep breathing. Choose a pace that suits you. It can be a little bit more vigorous if you want, a little bit more powerful, yet try to stay relaxed. Go on your own pace. Find your rhythm. Three, 2, 1. Your last full inhale. Let go and hold. As you hold your breath and dive deeper, you're no longer standing in the old story. You've seen it, you've questioned it, and now you're stepping into something new. So remind yourself, you're not forcing change, you're inviting it. Awareness is the doorway. Your intention is the key. Each time you name a limiting belief, its grip weakens. Each time you choose a gentler truth, you grow more free. Take in this sensation. Drink in this new belief and nurture your whole consciousness with it. Take a full inhale and hold. And let go. Come back to a regular breathing pattern. Remain still. Ask yourself, what small step can I take today to live this new belief? Let it be simple. Big change begins with small actions. This is where belief becomes real, through practice. Hold that vision. Feel it settle into your body. And know that you can conjure up this sensation every time you need it during the day. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this session, the easiest and cost-free way to support my channel here is to subscribe and to like or comment this video down below. It helps to spread the word. It helps to show this video to other like-minded people who may benefit from breathwork sessions like these. And if you want to have a coherent experience, a system that supports you on every step of your way to teach you breathwork and mindfulness all together with a great supportive community, then please check out the link in the description for my academy. See you next time. Bye.